Now, the Ghanaian stock market was unchanged in terms of market performance for most of last week. Nonetheless, there seems to be some profit-taking sentiment on the bourse. And let's cross to Derek Mensah, senior analyst at Africa Alliance Securities, and he joins us on the line from Accra. Thank you so much, Derek, for joining us. So would you agree with that right now we're seeing a little profit taking? Of course, the market has had a fantastic run this year, up well over 60%. Do you think that is what we're seeing? Because it seems that the market now seems to be stuck in a range, just like we are seeing in Nigeria these days.
Yeah, indeed, it's exactly as you're saying. The market is suffering a bit of profit taking at the moment. This is due to profit taking in certain liquid stocks, such as the banking sector, as well as the generally the financial sector. Today, the market was down about nearly 0.07%. It was a bit static, but if you're looking on a week-on-week basis, then it gained just slightly by 0.02. But you see that a lot of the pressure has been as a result of some selling pressures in some liquid stocks.
All right. If we look at the banks in particular, in the likes of Ghana commercial banks now trading around an all-time high, do you think that there is still some juice left in the move in the banking sector? Do you think that they are still relatively underpriced, or do you think we're now beginning to see them closer to their full prices?
Yeah, if you actually do a bit of analysis, you realize that for the banking sector, a lot of the stocks are approaching their fair value. If you look at the PE ratios and you look at the PB ratios, you realize that a lot of them are trading above the sector averages. But with that said, a lot of the investors are on a wait-and-see approach. Since the prices are almost at fair value and some are even overpriced, what the investors are doing now is to wait and see for the third quarter results, which will be due out next month. Based on that, and if there's significant upward momentum in terms of their bottom line and growth, then we'll see demand spiking up again. Right. And this will be similar to what happened in the half year when all investors were a bit of the tenterhooks and they were waiting to see how the half year results come. But we believe that the results are going to be impressive, and we believe that liquidity will drive back up again following the release of the third quarter results. But at the moment, we believe that there will be a lot of selling pressures, mainly in the financial stocks.
Right, Derek, considering how well the market has done this year, how do we invest in this market right now? What are your best ideas? How do we invest? Where are the opportunities in your view?
Well, I believe that if you're looking for the medium to long term, then you are best investing in the financial sector. We still have certain stocks in the financial sector that are on the buy. We have stocks like Bank. We have stocks like EcoBank. GCB is a bit of a hold at the moment. But generally, the financial sector is a very liquid sector, and it's a sector that has a lot of significant upside potential, especially industry-wide going forward. Now, the places where you might be thinking about a bit of profit taking will be the consumer stocks. You are looking at stocks in terms of Unilever, stocks like Fun Milk. Even though they've performed well over the years, their prices compared to their price matrices are not very impressive. And barring any pressures in the economy, they are likely to report very low figures by full year.
All right. Thank you so much for joining us.